Can't you delete your voice memo on iPhone? If you get this, com.apple.voicememo, and if you can't delete this, don't panic. Here is some technical process that can try to solve your issue. Before you do anything, check if the voice memo is locked. Open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone and locate the memo you want to delete. If you see a lock icon next to the memo, it means it's locked. To unlock it, swipe left on the memo and tap the lock icon to toggle it off. After unlocking, try deleting the voice memo. If you still have issues, follow Solution 1. Solution 1. Unlock your voice memo app from iCloud. Open Setting. Tap Apple ID. Tap iCloud. Tap Show All. Find out the voice memo. Turn off this option. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Find out the voice memo app. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall the app. If you still have issues, you can delete the app from here to solve your issues. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you can try using third-party apps or connecting your iPhone to a computer and deleting the voice memos using iTunes or Finder. If the problem persists, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching!